In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive tasks in Asana in just 5 minutes. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring that you can efficiently manage your task list and keep your projects organized. Let's begin by heading over to the Asana website. Open your preferred internet browser and type in the URL asana.com. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. Give that a click. This action will take you to the login page. Here you have the option to simplify the process by clicking Continue with Google. Select this if you'd like to log in using your Google account, then choose the account you want to associate with Asana. Now that you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the project that holds the tasks you wish to archive. Focus on the left panel of the Asana interface where your projects are listed. Click on the relevant project to open it. You should now see your project board populated with tasks that may span multiple columns or lists. Locate the specific task you want to archive. Once you've identified it, simply right-click on the task. A context menu will appear, presenting you with a variety of options. Among them, you'll see Mark Complete. By selecting this, you effectively archive the task. In Asana, marking a task as complete moves it out of your active workflow and signifies that no further action is required, which helps declutter your current task view. Now, a handy tip to remember. While this simple act of marking a task as complete archives it, your completed tasks are not lost forever. They're just tucked away neatly, allowing you to revisit them anytime, thanks to Asana's robust search and filtering capabilities. So, if you ever need to look back at what was accomplished or reference past work, you can easily do so by adjusting your view settings or utilizing the search bar. Furthermore, for those who frequently need to archive tasks, consider setting up recurring tasks within Asana. This feature is perfect for tasks that need to be completed on a regular basis, allowing you to automatically generate a new version of the task once it's marked as complete and archived. And there you have it, an efficient way to archive tasks in Asana, ensuring your project management stays smooth and organized. By following these simple steps, you'll maintain a clean workspace, which ultimately leads to improved productivity and focus. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.